Hi, my name is Mia, and welcome to my humble abode. My AfroBohemian Home is a lifestyle blog dedicated to creative urban homesteading with a cultural twist. Here, you will join me as we embark on a journey to transform our home into an AfroBohemian oasis. On this channel, we will bring you a unique range of content such as design inspiration, DIY tutorials, shopping adventures, urban homesteading tips, travel experiences, and more. We want to inspire you to live a creative, sustainable, and culturally enriched lifestyle. And this is done by self-sufficiency, personal expression, and the beauty of simple living. So whether you're looking for unique design ideas, travel tips, DIY projects, or seeking guidance in urban homesteading and sustainable living, this channel is for you. So make sure you join us every Friday for our main videos where we dive deep into various topics, and don't forget to check out our shorts throughout the week for a quick burst of inspiration. And for those who are new here, I invite you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. And to those who have already subscribed, thank you so much for your incredible support. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and welcome to my AfroBohemian home.